South Sudan, a young country. Despite its extreme poverty, it was born in 2011 amid much hope and optimism. Conflict and war, however, do much to undermine this hope. Development work is severely hampered where there is an absence of peace, and in South Sudan, peace is a rare thing. Following a political crisis which erupted in 2013, the country spiraled into a conflict that has spread across most parts of the nation. It has caused the deaths of many thousands of people and widespread displacement. There have been several attempts at creating peace agreements, but these have rarely led to long-standing peace on the ground. Today, South Sudan is one of the poorest countries in the world and is in the midst of a humanitarian crisis. Over 7 million people, half the population, are facing extreme hunger and high rates of acute malnutrition. Conflict adds to the problems of a poor country through the displacement of people, the disruption of public services, and the weakening of the economy. Without peace, there will be no prosperity. It is essential that conflict is tackled before South Sudan can experience any real difference in poverty levels and all its awful effects. This is why Christian Aid has been working with partners in the country to build peace. One such partner is the Justice, Peace and Reconciliation Committee, which is a department of the Episcopal Church of South Sudan. Its work in arranging peace and reconciliation workshops, trauma healing, conferences, advocacy, peace prayer vigils, and training for church and community leaders is an essential part of the peace-building work from the ground up in the nation. Building peace in South Sudan calls for a faithful and long-term commitment, which is why the Church in Wales' 5-year-long appeal will make such a difference. Through it, we will stand in solidarity with those living through conflict and violence firsthand, and we will support them as they work to bring peace, prosperity and hope to their lives.